Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. Today I'll be making some oxtails, kind of sort of Mexican style. I already have the Jamaican style, French style, and American style on my channel, so you can check those out below. I seasoned up my oxtail last night with this cracked peppercorn seasoning rub. So it's been sitting for 24 hours. Also some salt and some lime zest is on these oxtails. Alright, so right here we have cilantro, jalapeno, a whole head of garlic, which I'm going to use the entire thing, a couple tomatoes, and a white onion. I'm going to clean all this up and put it in a food processor. Once you get it all in a processor, you're going to blitz it. And then this is what you end up with. And we're just going to pour it over the oxtails. So I put everything down into my pressure cooker. Yes, I'm using a pressure cooker today. So that's what I did. Looking good. To this, you're going to add an entire carton of beef broth or beef stock. This is a 32-ounce box, and I'm using the entire thing. If you feel as if you don't have enough liquid, you can add water, but this was enough for the amount of oxtails I was making at the time. So get it all down in there. Alright, so now I'm going to cover this up, set the timer for 40 minutes. This is what it looks like after 40 minutes. At this point, I'm going to re-season and also reduce so that the gravy can become thick. And make sure you taste for salt and pepper, maybe some more cilantro, and a little bit of lime juice just to send it home. And you should be good to go. It smells amazing in my kitchen, by the way. I love this recipe. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Once it reduces, I added some cilantro, a little bit of lime juice, and I was good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I loved it, and I hope you try it. And I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.